Okay, we should be streaming video to you guys right now. Alright, there's a large wall cloud north of Ravia on Highway 1, approximately 5 miles. Okay, that thing's about to tornado right there. Get my phone.
Oh yeah, that's like...
Grab the tripod. Yeah, that's strong rotation right there.
Oh yeah, it is.
Put it on speaker.
There it goes.
Here, you watch the camera. Hello? Hello? Yeah, it's going to tornado right there. There it goes. It's a multiple vortices right there.
Yep. I get anybody?
I can't get anybody. I can't get anybody on the phone. Oh, that's awesome. Go ahead and wind it out just a little bit because we want to get that wall cloud. I can't get through. It won't go. It won't connect.
Oh, look.
It's dialing. All right, let me just focus on this.
Yeah, just focus on it.
Oh man, that thing's wrapping up hard right there. We're in the path of it.
Yeah, I think it might be on the ground right there. Right there.
Maybe. Yeah, it's got vortices down to the ground, it looks like. I need something to wipe this off. Yeah, it's on the ground.
Now that's going to contract behind us.
It's on the ground, yeah.
We are awfully close.
I can't get a call through either. Look at it, it's getting larger. It's getting larger. Willie, it's right there.
There's another wall cloud right there.
Oh, that's a big one. That is a big tornado. Oh, look at the edge of the wall cloud, Willie. Willie, look on this edge. Look at that motion.
Is that on the ground?
Yes.
Yes, tornado.
Guys, I've got a large tornado on the ground. Highway 1 is north of Ravia. Okay, right now I'm 5 miles north of Ravia, and I have a large multiple vortex tornado on the ground on Highway 1, 5 miles north of Ravia. I am easily within a city block of it right now. This thing's going to turn into a wedge. But we have a large tornado on the ground now, 5 miles north of Ravia, might be 4 miles north of Ravia on Highway 1. Oh my goodness. Oh, hold on.
There it goes.
Steve, it is a very large tornado.
There it goes.
Oh my goodness, look at that. I hope all this water is not on the lens. Need to move it.
Did it turn you?
I don't know if they can hear me or not. Let me see that tower. Wow, we are right in the wrapping rain on the RFD of this violent looking tornado now. This is north of Ravia. Oh, you can see the rain band is good in this. Oh my gosh, look at how fast that rain's wrapping.
Sure it's not for a second.
Stay steady, just stay steady, would you? I got a perfect shot of this.
There was an area lower and right behind us too.
Guys, please. I don't want to do a ton of editing.
We're not in a good spot.
We're okay. The tornado's moving east.
I don't think so.
Alright. This is the RFD that we're in right here. Those are amazing rain bands. Okay. Man, that thing is wow. It is right back in there still.
That's what I'm wondering. I hope it ain't turning south.
Yeah. Man. Yeah, we don't want to go.
If we're facing east, that wind's out of the west. So that would mean it's on that side of us, wouldn't it?
Yeah.